So Dave's recovered from his snow cone.
That looks fucking tragic.
I'm done with that one. What happened?
Oh, you made me flat on that.
Oh.
It was a hard hit on the guy.
Yeah.
That was the one I was waiting for.
Man, that's just skiing on ice right now. Like,
Actually, it wasn't as bad as that one over there.
That's gonna mark my end.
Yeah.
The one fall.
I'm good with calling it.
Alright.
I can call it. Hey, J-Bone, you calling it?
Isn't this the same thing happened last time? He was coming down over there by the,
So I was like, end of the day, yeah, man, we'll go for one more run. And then I end up,
I know.
yeah, I end up like calling my mom in tears.
Alright. Yeah, we'll call it.
Yep.